It's been quite a week for stained glass with the publication of the Red List of Endangered Crafts 2023 by the national charity Heritage Crafts. For the first time ever, stained glass window making has been included in the list of endangered crafts. It is a source of concern that stained glass has made it to this list. However, there are reasons to be encouraged. One of the organisations that's promoting traditional stained glass, and one of the key organisations, is the Stained Glass Museum based in Ely Cathedral. And they provide a series of courses on stained glass painting and stained glass making and fusing, etc. So it was my great privilege to be asked to put together a 2-day course around glass painting. And we decided to theme it around the idea of creating some of the heads, or recreating some of the heads that are in the collection at Ely Stained Glass Museum. They have over 800 years worth of stained glass on show. So we advertised and the course was booked up very quickly, which was really encouraging. And throughout the 2 days we were serenaded by an opera company who were practicing for concerts that evening, and organ recitals. So it was a really lovely environment to teach these traditional crafts. Students enrolled from all over the UK and the USA to come on the course. So the course began with a series of exercises on trace line work. So we were working with traditional glass paints and traditional brushes, mixing up our paints with water and gum arabic, and also mixing up our paints with vinegar so we could do multi-layered trace line and shading line work before we fired in the kiln. Quite challenging work, and it was just so encouraging to see the students rising to the challenge. Quite a few of the students hadn't done glass painting before, so it was just fabulous to see the quality of work being generated over the 2 days. So on day 2 we worked on our shading work with a lot of stippling effects and sticking out highlights and all of the traditional skills that have been passed down from generation to generation. It's just lovely to be able to continue to pass on these skills to the next generation. If you're interested in learning traditional stained glass, look out for more opportunities that will be available in due course through the Stained Glass Museum website. Follow the link at the end of this video.